Hey guys, and welcome back to the MC Nails. I am here again with a Your Nail Labs monthly subscription box. Now, I have not said this before and I have gotten a lot of questions. This is the Luxe box. This is $35 a month. And let's get started. I really want to see what I got this month. Ooh, look at all the goodies. So I got my little box this month with some information. Now the first thing I see are these little hair-like nail designs. What are they? Flash strands. Yes. I've never seen these before. Wait. Get it right there. I've never seen these before. Next, I got some gel polishes. Ooh, that's exciting. Let's open it up. There you go. Two colors. One is Scarlet and Blush Pink. Let's check these out. That is a beautiful pink color. And Scarlet Red. Ooh, that looks nice. So I'm gonna start swatching the gel polishes. I have two beautiful gel polishes which is I'm gonna be starting off with Blush Pink. I love nudes. I think they're so cute. Let's get in a little bit closer. Okay. Oh, there you go. It's a very beautiful color. It's like a beautiful nude with a pink undertone. It's so subtle. Next we have Scarlet. Now red is a very hard color to find because sometimes you just buy it and it's always like an orange undertone. You just want that bright red. Oh, and this one. This one is nice. Still has like a sheer pinkish color to it, but with two coats. It's gonna look amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. This is so beautiful. It is a beautiful red color. I've got to say, I am in love. Next thing in my box, I see that, again, I have some lashes. And I probably think they're the same kind as last time. I'm sorry if you hear a trimmer because they're mowing the lawn nearby. But they're the same kind of lashes. Here I got some glue. You can never have too much glue. That's good. With a brush, which I love these. Here I have, what is this? Nail rhinestone glue. All right. Look at that. UV LED gel. Oh, that's nice. It has a nice little, you know, just to put on straight. That's nice. Gonna have a sip of coffee. It's early in the morning. And there's a lot of sound outside. My neighbor just started the vacuum too. Next we have some polygel or some nail extension gel. This one looks like a beautiful purple color with some sparkles inside. Look at how adorable. Let's open this up. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that color. We also have another one here, and it is blue. Also with some sparkles or glimmer or shimmer inside. Ooh, it matches my nails. Oh, that's nice. It's like this color, but a little bit more sheer, I bet, when you put it on. I'm not sure. It's nice. I am seeing here some gems. Look at that. You can never have too much gems. These are super cute. They're like gold. I always have like silver, like from to the bottom. This one has gold. That's nice. Like there's clear and there's like an AB crystal. I bet this will look beautiful if they were Swarovski crystals, like the nice shine. But these work great on the nails. I know they do. Here's some bigger crystals for the nails. Now, I don't really use big crystals because I actually don't know how, you know, to, how do you say it? Like organize it on the nails. But these are cute. I could practice with these. Nice. Then we have some glitters. You can never have enough glitter, right? Since I use more acrylic, just put some clear acrylic and mix it together and put it on now. I guess that would be very, very cute. Look at how cute. And I like this little thing they're in. Oh wait, it has tape right here. it looks so nice and fresh and bright. These are upside down actually. They're like this. But oh my god, look at those colors. I am liking this. It comes out like a orange right there, but it's like a hot pink coral color. It is really, really beautiful. Oh, they are so stunning. And then we have, ooh, I see we have something else. We have some letters. Be creative, writing things on the nails. Oh, that's nice. Got some letters in different colors. That's cute. Look at, there's a G. It's upside. There's a G for gorgeous. And, ooh, I'm so excited. I said this before. I don't know if it's in the first or second box that I got, that I wish they gave us like at least a brush, because not many people have polygel, and probably they want to buy this product, this box, and to try it out and stuff like that, and they don't have a brush. So that's good, they gave us a brush here. It's nice. It has a dotting tool at the end, so that is nice. And the brush, super excited. That is nice. It's nice. It's hard, but when you wet it in the solution, it gets nicer. So that is all in this box. Super excited. Let's see it all together. What we got. We have the brush, some nail extensions, polygel I say, some polish, gel polish. Is there a difference between nail extension and polygel? Correct me if I'm wrong, if there is or not, please. There is some glue. Let me push this out to the side. Next we have some glitters, some rhinestones, some letters. Let's see. We had a lot of things in this box to design. We have these little flash strands there. We got some lashes. And last, I think that's the last thing, some rhinestone glue. Because you can't put some rhinestones on if you don't have rhinestone glue. And there you go. This was an exciting box to open with all these things in it. I'm super excited and I really want to try them all. And yeah, I really enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!